Mr. Gadget is back. Man, the guru is back. What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
It's RAWBYN, your body language guru.
Now, we got a spicy video today. Now, we're about to see how girls leverage their pussy. Now, this video is literally just showing you how powerful pussy is. And I'm on a semen retention. I'm about to do 90 days. I did like 2 weeks. I failed. And honestly, semen retention is so much easier. I was thinking of making a video on how to like just glide through the 90 days. Because after 2 weeks, I felt great. I don't know what it was. I lost like 15 pounds because I was like not beating my dick all day. I don't know what it was, man. Semen retention is really the wave. I really thought it was bullshit until I really did it. And I had no urge. I don't know about y'all, but gaming and beating your dick don't hit the same anymore. Am I the only one that don't feel like that feels that way? Like gaming does not feel the same, and beating your dick don't feel the same. It used to hit different back then. So I quit gaming off the strength of not even liking it, like losing interest in it. And same thing for beating my dick. Like I'm sick of going through 55 tabs just to find the right one and then feeling guilty after you beat your dick. Like I'm over that shit. But I want y'all to sit back. We better watch this shit, you horny motherfuckers. Not gonna lie, y'all. If my dick get hard, y'all not even gonna see it, but my dick probably gonna get hard because I'm really attracted to this girl.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Melanin queen. And I haven't beat my dick in a minute. So, even my protein bar I just came from working out. Casually flashing my kitties.
Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious.
I said titties. To see his reaction. We already know what his reaction gonna be. Ryan with the sauce.
Buy it. What?
Move, you're trying to act like you're a little meat.
Who little meat?
You're a little meat.
I'm so fucking with this guy, Ryan. I know I'm not the only one who just look to see if her panties are really on, because I'm trying to see if this shit is real or not.
Why don't I look? How do you get to catch up for these budgets? Huh?
Hey yo. Ryan. Ryan, I'm fucking with you, but you cannot be eating anything like this. You're a grown man. This is mad sus. Right here, look. Just look mad sus, bro. Hey yo, that's I don't know if I'm obvious and shit. Like you can't make it look a little like it actually did fall. She threw that shit. Unless you, I don't know. There is nothing. I'm assuming this is my girlfriend, bro. If she does this to me, I am fucking right there. I don't care who walks in. I'm assuming this is my girlfriend. There's no way she's about to do this to me, and I'm about to let it fly. Like, no, you're not about to tease me.
Why did you just purposely do that?
Dang.
Nah, bro.
They're just gonna purposely you
that you had
I tell you I seen your cheeks, and then you purposely throw your wallet out there on the floor.
Bro, I didn't purposely throw it out on the floor. It dropped. I tried to pull it up.
Yeah, it dropped.
And it dropped.
Ain't no way.
You love my outfit now? Huh?
Slow 360.
Hold on.
Hold on. Tell you what's
Ain't no way you about to eat it. No way, bro. No way, no way. You about to eat her ass? Let me find out you eat ass, bro. Right, let me find out.
Start right here.
Yeah.
Let me find out you eat ass, bro. No way.
Fixing my skirt.
Yeah, fix it.
Bro,
I'll give this about.
there's no way I'll let this happen.
I'll give it a 9.
I need some lotion. I'm not looking for ashy. Dang! No. I'll get it.
Bro,
I don't want you to strain yourself.
I think that just exposed everything, bro. It's cap. It's cap.
Bro,
I don't want you to strain
It's
yourself.
cap. That looks like she has underwear on. What is she flashing? Damn, bro. This is cap. Or am I tripping? Because that looks like, is that part of the
So I get it. My stuff just freaking keep falling.
You straight?
Huh?
You straight?
Yeah.
That's not falling. You're throwing.
What?
Nothing bad.
I think that's, I don't know if it's cap yet.
You just threw that.
Bruh, no, I didn't. I don't know what you're talking about.
Why every prank got this song, this default song, you NPCs? I don't have any other songs. This damn song. I swear to God, if y'all watch any type of pranks, this is the song that they have.
Have you seen my lip gloss?
Whoever made this beat, I swear to God, you are rich as shit.
Oh, there we go.
Who's it?
Huh?
Who's it?
Found it. It's, what is it? Max. Got some.
Get into dinner.
Ain't no way you about to hit me with ads.
Well, why you keep doing that?
Doing what?
You know what you're doing.
What are you talking about?
You lifting your, what is it, skirt, dress, what is this?
No.
Your
What I'm
lift-
trying to do is when I get my stuff, I'm trying to.
I'm seeing all your
I'm
goods.
trying to pull the back of my skirt down. I'm trying to pull the back of my skirt down so that way.
I'm trying to pull it up.
Boy, you crazy. What you trying to?
That's what girls, that's what you wore a
You
skirt for?
ain't
I don't know, this video lost its effect. I think it's cap.
I'm trying to see something.
Like, why would y'all cap that? Because you don't want to be shown.
Stand up.
What, Ryan? What are you doing?
Stand up.
What are you trying to? It's like you acting like I've been provoking you or something like that. I just been sitting here chilling.
You definitely
No,
been.
you're not chilling.
I've
That's,
been
Bro.
sitting here chilling.
that's not chilling.
I've been chilling.
You show
Girls that could dress like this are the best. Like, if you could dress like this, you have my heart.
No.
Bro, I seen it.
What are you talking about?
If you want to just give it to me, just give it to me.
Ryan, what are you talking about?
Come on. We're gonna go upstairs.
What are you gonna say for?
You keep showing me the cheeks.
What?
Go upstairs.
Wait!
Come on, come on.
Wait!
Wait, is that the end of the video?
He just carried me up the stairs. I have to run back downstairs so that way I can continue the prank and let him know that it's a prank.
What?
I asked you to leave me.
Ryan!
What?
What you?
Why you leave me?
What you got going
You
on?
had to go.
Bruh, I ain't have to go.
I didn't ask you to leave.
This is not.
I didn't ask you to leave.
What you trying? You trying to get in this skirt?
I'm trying to get more than a skirt.
Huh? Trying to get in this skirt?
Where?
I'm in this skirt.
You playing with me?
Ah, Nah, bro, that just. Hold on.
Give me a skirt.
Ryan! Come on, bro. There's literally a whole underwear right there. And I'm pretty sure the comments is full of, oh my gosh, it's so real. Comments is full of NPCs. I just love how she has her own. Okay, Ryan's effect. Y'all type in some matching shoes. Okay, but a whole bunch of NPCs not even talking about it. I died the video. I could not stop laughing. Like, I did not laugh once. I did not laugh once. Y'all laughed once. I'm new and love it here. New to the channel. This is a banger for show. W concept. Hey man, everyone's faking everything these days. Oh well. But I had a feeling it wasn't real.
So you like what you see?
What you think?
You like the skirt?
I carried you upstairs that you keep running.
You like the skirt and stuff? I mean, I'm not like showing you too much, you know, I'm just showing you the legs. I know the legs can like give off a lot because they're like long, and I feel like they can put and stuff on. I know they give off a lot. But like, what'd you do that for?
I'm trying to go upstairs.
What you trying to do upstairs?
See how fast I can take that skirt off.
I mean, it's a skirt, you don't have
This part is dead. Like, come on, get to the point.
You ready? You ready? Come on, come sit down, baby. That.
What?
Baby, that.
Wait. I didn't get my stuffer.
What's in your bag?
Wait.
Come on, I carry it. Come on.
Wait, hold on.
You don't need it. Come on.
Come on. I'm gonna give you a little show. Okay, but first, I just want to tell you.
It's a prank.
Oh, funny.
I don't see the prank. The only prank I see is you pranked us, because this shit's fake. But where's the prank on his side? Like, you really did flash a kitty, supposedly, right?
The prank.
Alright, go ahead and wrap it up so we go
And
upstairs. Go ahead and wrap it up
this
so
is
we
a
go
prank.
upstairs.
What you say?
Not gonna lie, yeah.
RAWBYN, because I've been fucking wrong.